My name is Dr. Ramon Jose Suarez, but I'm fondly known as Doc B-Boy. Everybody knows me as Doc B-Boy Suarez. So there's a question here, what do I do or what do people do to prevent kidney diseases? Maraming factors. I would say the most important ones are about 8 factors. So unahin natin kung ano yung pinaka common na nagkukos ng kidney problem among adults. So the most common one would be diabetes. Katagalan, pag ang diabetes ay hindi kontrolado, ito ay nagli-lead to many internal organ problems. The second leading cause would be hypertension and third would be cardiovascular diseases. Traidor na sakit yan, kahit mataas ang presyon mo, wala kang nararamdaman, kaya nga, traidor nga, no? Ano pa yung pang-4, pang-5, hanggang pang-8? So, I'll run through it very quickly, no? Isa dito yung mataas ang kolesterol, yung obesity o yung pagiging sobrang mataba. Kulang na tayo sa ersisyo, tsaka kulang tayo sa disiplina sa pagkain. Ito, wala tayong control dito sa susunod na sasabihin ko is family history. So, kung si nanay or si tatay, may sakit sila sa bato, maaaring mapamana ito, no? So, isang common cause ng kidney problem na inherited is yung tinatawag na polycystic kidney disease. Ito ay namamana. Yung susunod ay kontrolado natin. This is tobacco use or cigarette smoking. I would say also vaping is a new risk factor. Edad, 60 pataas. So our age, hindi lang naman po yung itsura natin ang tumatanda, pati rin yung bato natin at mga internal organs natin tumatanda. That is some of the or most important risk factors.